दोस्तों, never allow people to take advantage of you. Never allow people to misuse your habits, to misuse your nature, to misuse your, the way you keep yourself. Don't allow anybody to misuse you in the wrong direction. For example, मैं बताता हूँ कैसे. अगर आप बहुत शांत किस्म के आदमी हैं, अगर आप बहुत सोचने वाले आदमी हैं, अगर आप बहुत सेंसिटिव टाइप आदमी हैं, तो आपको हमेशा कोई ना कोई ट्रिगर करके, कोई ना कोई आपको उकसा के, कोई ना कोई ऐसा बात बोल देगा कि आपको बहुत गुस्सा आ जाएगा, कोई ना कोई ऐसा बात बोल देगा कि आप बहुत दुखी हो जाएगा, कोई ना कोई ऐसा बात बोल देगा कि आप बहुत क्या बोलते हैं, एकदम सिकुड़ जाएगा, एकदम कंफर्ट जोन में चला जाएगा, बिल्कुल बात नहीं करेगा 2 घंटा, बिल्कुल आप सोचने लग जाएगा अरे उसने क्या बोल दिया क्या बोल दिया क्या बोल दिया, ऐसा करके आपको बहुत ज़्यादा इफेक्ट हो जाता है. ऐसे लोग से दूर रहें या उनको अच्छे से फेस करें जो आपका हैबिट को बराबर यूज़ करने के उसमें रहते हैं, कीननेस में. तो लर्न टू से पोलाइटली टू सच पीपल व्हाट यू फील एंड दे शुड नॉट मिस यूज यू, दे शुड नॉट प्ले विथ योर माइंडसेट, दे शुड नॉट प्ले विथ योर thought process and your personality, whatever you are carrying with you. Always think and act like a king, always think and act like a leader, always think and act like a warrior, like a fighter, like a person who has all the capabilities to fight in the world and who is not afraid of facing people under any condition. Always show the projection that you are capable to fight any situation, come what may, but I will not give up. I will not get affected by anybody's judgments. I will not get affected by anybody's, thought process. I will not get affected by anybody's sayings. I will not get affected if anybody is laughing at me. I will not get affected if anybody is telling tone on me. I will not get affected if anybody is talking behind my back. I will not get affected if somebody is planting some scene behind my back and I get to know from other person and I try to behave with that person in a very wrong way. No. You should have control over your mindset. That is very important. If you don't have control over your own mindset, then you are giving the chance to people to misuse your mindset in the direction they want it to be used. So always be clear on this, that let people know that they cannot misuse you. Let people know that they cannot trigger your mindset for their own benefit. Always अपना कंट्रोल अपने हाथ में रखें. ट्रिगर पॉइंट किसी को ना बताएं, ट्रिगर पॉइंट किसी को अंदाजा भी लगने ना दें, so that people don't misuse you. कोई कुछ भी बोलता है फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, कोई कुछ भी बोलता है फर्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए. You know yourself better than anybody else, so you should not get affected by anything if anybody is telling you. Simple as that. क्योंकि अगर आपको सब बातों का, सब लोगों का, सब विचारों का, सब जजमेंट का, सब थॉट प्रोसेस का इफेक्ट लगेगा, तो फिर आप हमेशा ओवर थिंकिंग मोड में रहेगा, आप हमेशा स्ट्रेस मोड में रहेगा, आप हमेशा टेंशन मोड में रहेगा और आप आगे का अपना खुद का प्रोग्रेस सोच नहीं पाएगा, खुद का प्रोग्रेस कुछ कर नहीं पाएगा और हमेशा दबा रहेगा और हमेशा दबुद्दीन बना रहेगा और हमेशा अपने आप को छुपा के रखेगा और हमेशा अपने आप को एस्केप करके रखेगा, बिकॉज यू आर हैविंग फियर टू फेस पीपल. There will be thousands of kinds of people around you. There will be thousands of people who have variety of nature. सबका नेचर एक जैसा नहीं होता है और सब आपको फ्रेंडली के जैसा नहीं ट्रीट करेगा. That is very clear. So try to make yourself so strong. Try to make yourself so confident. Try to make yourself so एकदम मजा हुआ कि कोई आपसे खेल नहीं सकता है. Let people know that you are clear in your thought process and nobody can affect your mindset, nobody can affect your mood, nobody can affect your thinking habit. Learn to say no politely. Learn to say what you are not feeling okay politely. First time, second time, third time, don't say politely. Show your true colors. Show your true anger. Show your true temperament. First time politeness okay, second time politeness okay, but if third time the person is doing the same thing, then it is your mistake if you are allowing him to do it and you are not telling him that boss please hold on to your horses, it is not good, don't try again with me all this nonsense. You have to express yourself, You have to tell that what you feel okay, what you don't feel okay. Otherwise, people will misuse you all the time. Think and act like a rich man. Think and act like a king. Think and act like a warrior person. Think and act like a strong person. Think and act like a person who has tons of confidence. Think and act like a person who has a mindset of a stone. He can handle any situation. He can handle any circumstances. He can handle any chaos in his life in a very organized way, in a very systematic way, in a very pleasant way. So think and act like a winning mindset person instead of thinking and acting like a loser. Don't become the loser with your thoughts, with your actions, with your personality, with your attitude. Don't become the loser. People will take advantage of you all the time. I am sure I must have given some message out of this so that your confidence gets awakened and you can understand what I am trying to tell you in a positive way. Thanks a lot for listening. See you soon in my next video.